Hey guys, welcome back to Just Piddlin Barbecue. I'm going to do a real quick video today. I'm going to show you how to make a compound butter out of KERRIGOLD butter that's keto friendly that you can use on any dish. So stay tuned. Okay, this is really a simple compound butter. You can use any butter, but if you're trying to do keto, the best butter to use is KERRIGOLD's butter. It's from grass-fed beef, and so that's what we're going to use today. Now you want your butter soft, so leave it out on the counter for a little while before you start messing with it. Mine's been on the counter for a little while. Hopefully it's soft enough to use for this. So get your butter out, put it in a bowl, and you want a bowl big enough that you can do some mixing in. Okay, so you got your butter in. Now I have chopped up probably about 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, and we're going to go in with that. Just go ahead and put that in. And now I've got about a teaspoon and a half of very finely chopped dill, and we're going to go in with that. And that's got a great smell to it. So go in with that. And now I just took my knife and just ran it down the side of a lemon, got me a couple of ribbons of the peel, and then julienned it, and then just real fine dice. You can see right there, maybe a half a teaspoon. But again, it smells really fresh. Go in with that. And then I've got 1 teaspoon of diced garlic or minced garlic, and we're going to go in with that. Now after you get all that in there, now you just want to mash it up and mix everything up real thoroughly. Alright, so after you get your butter thoroughly mixed, it's going to look like that. Okay, so now what you want to do is get the most aggravating thing to deal with in America, and that's saran wrap or plastic wrap. But we're going to turn this butter out onto this plastic wrap right in the middle and try to keep it together and in kind of a somewhat of a log shape. You're going to be able to shape this with your hands once you get it in there. Okay, so now take the edge of your plastic wrap and fold it over. And now where the shaping comes in, you can kind of start shaping it back into that log shape that you want. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then just start slowly rolling it, trying to get as much air out as you can all the way through. Now just grab the ends close to the butter, okay, and then just spin it, and that slowly twists the rest of the air out. And now you can tuck it just like that. Now you just put it in the refrigerator, let it solidify again, and now you've got yourself some compound butter. Now this compound butter is going to be perfect with the flavors that I put in it for some type of fish. In a few minutes I'm fixing to start up the Grilla Silverbac Pellet Smoker and put some salmon on. That's going to be my next video, so be sure to check it out. Until next time, I'll be piddling. And I've got about a teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon and a half of chopped mint. Is that mint?